Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cowboy hat cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for those who cherish their cowboy hats, and for good reason. A clean cowboy hat not only looks better, it also helps preserve the hat's shape, color, and overall condition, extending its lifespan and ensuring it remains a cherished part of your wardrobe or collection for years to come. This video will dive deep into what makes a great cowboy hat cleaner, helping you choose the best one for your needs and showing you how to use it effectively. Number 5. Superio Hat Brush. This amazing brush is a must-have for all hat lovers. It's perfect for cleaning various types of hats, restoring their original look with ease. Made with 100% soft genuine horsehair, it's gentle yet effective. A few strokes will remove dust and restore your hat's appearance without causing any damage. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use. Say goodbye to hand fatigue while cleaning your hats. Simply brush across the hat with downward strokes, easily reaching the brim, creases, and crown. It's that simple. It's not just for hats. This versatile brush also cleans shoes, clothes, and more. Use it to remove dust and lint from various fabrics and even leather. What we like. It boasts 100% genuine horsehair bristles for a scratch-free clean and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. This makes cleaning a breeze, even for extended periods. If you value a gentle yet effective clean and appreciate versatile tools, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Its ergonomically curved design is such that it facilitates easy brushing along the inner edge of the brim as well as along crown, creases, and underside of the brim. Works well and seems to be a quality product. Wow, it took all the fuzz and junk off in just a few swipes. It worked way quicker and with less work pressure than I expected. Bristles are firm yet soft and pick up all the stuff that has accumulated. Number 4. Ultimate Hat Cleaner Kit. This kit is your ultimate solution for cleaning all types of hats. It's designed to make cleaning your hats easy and effective. It gently removes dirt, sweat, and stains, leaving your hats looking fresh and new. No more worrying about ruining your favorite headwear. Whether it's baseball caps, fedoras, beanies, or more, it's suitable for all materials and styles. It's the only hat cleaning kit you'll ever need. The kit includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. Just follow the simple instructions for sparkling results. Bring your hats back to life with this amazing kit. It's the perfect way to keep your hats looking their best. This kit provides a complete cleaning solution for all your hat care needs. Invest in your hats and keep them looking great for longer. What we like. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning. It's suitable for all hat types, making it incredibly versatile. If you need a convenient and all-in-one solution, this kit is for you. What people say. It had sweat stains on the brim, lower part of the front and sides. Everything came off with a little scrubbing with the brush that came with the kit. The cap looks brand new now. After about 7 cleanings I managed to restore my father's hat to its original condition and color. Just either spray the product or dab it onto the hat. Fill up a small container of water and use the brush that is provided and scrub your hat real good. The water activated the product. Once the product is activated, it leaves a white soapy residue on the hat. Then allow to dry for a couple hours. Good as new. Number 3. Bickmore Foaming Hat Cleaner. Tired of dirty hats? This foaming cleaner easily removes dirt, dust, and sweat stains, leaving your hats looking their best. It effortlessly tackles tough dirt and grime. Watch as it lifts away even the most stubborn stains. It's gentle enough for delicate materials like fur and felt, yet powerful enough for baseball caps and more. Simply apply, gently scrub, and rinse. It's that easy to restore your hats to their original glory. From cowboy hats to baseball caps, it's the perfect solution for keeping all your hats clean and fresh. Before and after shots showcasing the remarkable cleaning power. Your hats will thank you. What we like. Its foaming formula effectively tackles dirt, dust, fingerprints, and sweat stains. It's even safe for fur felt hats. If you need a powerful cleaner that's gentle on delicate materials, this is your best bet. What people say. Spray the hat till the hat's surface is covered in foam and wait till the hat is dry, and what you see is all the dirt that was down deep in the surface now sitting on the surface of the hat. The next step was just brushing the surface down and all that dirt is gone. You literally get to see the dirt in the hat get brushed away. Spray hat with cleaner, let dry, then a light brushing and the hat looks like new. No more sweat marks or fingerprints, and the faded look is now restored to dark black again. Spray it on, let it dry, brush it off. I couldn't find my horsehair brush, so ended up using a large pore sponge, and it worked great to clean a dirty antique felt hat. I've also used this cleaner on felt cowboy hats and wouldn't use another brand. Number 2. Atzi Hat Cleaning Sponges. Say goodbye to lint, dust, and dirt. These sponges gently clean and restore your hats, leaving them looking brand new. One sponge for light-colored hats, one for dark. It's the perfect way to keep all your hats looking their best. These sponges are built to last. Enjoy years of use, cleaning your hats time and time again. Simply swish them in water or rinse briefly under the tap. It's that easy to keep them clean and ready to use. From fedoras and cowboy hats to baseball caps and more, it's perfect for all your favorite headwear. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to easily clean every inch of your hat. Made with high-quality materials, we guarantee you'll love the results. Bring back the shine to your favorite hats. What we like. It includes 2 sponges, one for light and one for dark hats, that are reusable and easy to clean. This ensures your hats always look their best. If you're looking for a sustainable and effective cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Removed all the lint and dust from both my black and brown hats. Also used them on my granddaughter's shade boots. Easy to use and effective. I cleaned my husband's black hat, which was pretty dusty, pretty quickly. Although both sponges are dark colored, you keep one for dark, and one for light hats, so residue from the sponge does not transfer to different colored hats. The sponges are washable. Easy to use and great product to keep my hats looking new. Number 1. Fedora Hat Brush. This brush is perfect for cleaning your fedora. Its 100% horsehair bristles gently remove dust and lint. The high-quality horsehair bristles are incredibly soft yet effective at cleaning. They won't damage the delicate felt of your hat. Watch how easily it lifts away lint and dust, leaving your hat looking its best. It's the perfect tool for maintaining your fedora's appearance. This brush features a sturdy wooden handle for comfortable and controlled cleaning. It's built to last, ensuring years of use. It's specifically designed for felt hats, so you can trust it to clean your fedora without causing any damage. Keep your hat looking pristine. Cleaning your fedora has never been easier. With this brush, you can quickly and easily remove dirt and debris. What we like. Made with 100% horsehair bristles and a durable wood handle, it's perfect for removing lint and dust. It's a classic choice for a reason. If you prefer a traditional approach to hat cleaning, this brush is ideal. What people say. This brush is great. It cleaned up my hat nicely and removed the dust that seems to appear whenever I go a few days without wearing it. It works especially well on felt hats, but is effective on many types of fabric. Great for a quick brush over of any hat. Gets rid of 99% of dust and lint. I've always used the orange sponge style cleaners on hats, but never liked the fact that it seemed to also remove just a fraction of felt the same time. These have worked very well so far on a lower priced dollar amount Stetson and a 100x Rand. Bristle brushes are the same color. I gave one of my son for his Stetson for my Rand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.